There's a legend round here. A killer buried, but not dead. A curse on Crystal Lake.
Jason will return to the area that's familiar. No matter what you call it, it's still Camp Crystal Lake to him.
A death curse. Jason Voorhees' curse. They say he died as a boy.
You see, Jason was my son, and today is his birthday.
But he keeps coming back.
No matter what they do to you, you cannot die.
Few have seen him and lived. Some have even tried to stop him. No one can. People forget. He's down there, waiting.